Just look what they did to me in Turkey. Just look at me.
That's right, folks. It's history's pitchman, 80s and cool, and today we are in Istanbul, Turkey. That's right. This is a special maritime edition. Let me go ahead and set the geography for you. Right to my right, that's Europe. Right over here to my left, that's Asia. In the 4th century AD, Constantine, that's right, that Constantine came here and set the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire, right at the confluence of the Black Sea, the Sea of Marmara, right through the straits here. Over the millennia, this land has been almost impossible to conquer due to its geography of being right at the Golden Horn, up on the hills, through the valleys. Istanbul simply has it all. We have the Blue Mosque, we have the Hagia Sophia, we have the walls of Constantinople right here. We have the magnificent islands, the Princess Islands over in the Sea of Marmara. And let's not forget, the best thing about Istanbul is you can get a cheap hair transplant. That's right, this is a special maritime edition of History's Pitchman coming to you from the Bosporus, right here in Istanbul, Turkey.